So this is the 2015 Junior Cert Higher Level Paper 2 and we're looking at question number 1. The students in a class recorded how many messages they sent using different forms of messaging: text, email, IM and Twitter over 4 months. Diagram 1 shows the percentage of messages sent using each form of messaging in each of the 4 months. Part A says, using diagram 1, complete the table below to show the percentage of messages sent using email in each of the 4 months. Okay, so if we're looking at the email, that's going to be email is in white here, so it's going to be this region here, this one, and this one here. So that's the email. So in January there was 10%, and we can see there that it goes from 60 up to 70. So each of these thin bars here is worth 5%. So this one here is 5% in February. For March, it's the same again, 5%. And for April, it's 10%, same as in January. So this is the percentage of messages sent by email. Diagram 2 shows the trend graph for text over the 4 months. Part B says, complete diagram 2 to show the trend graphs for email, IM and Twitter over the 4 months using the data in diagram 1. Label each trend graph clearly. So for text, it was 30 in January, 20 in Feb, 15 in March and 10 in April. Okay, well, we've just done the percentages for email, so it's 10, 5, 5, 10. So we can put that in. So going from 10 to 5 to 5 and back up to 10. That's going to be email. So we'll do that in blue. There we go, that's email there in blue. Okay, now we're going to have a look at, well, so we've got email and text done, so we're going to look next at IM. Well, IN has 20. No, sorry, it goes from 20 to 60 in January, so that's 40. And then it goes from 25 to 75, so that's 50. Then here it goes from 30 up to 80, which is 50 again. And in April it goes from 25 up to 80, which is 55. So for IM it's 40, 50, 50 and 55. For IM we'll do this in red. 40, 50, 50 again, and then 55 in April. So we'll do this in red. That's the trend graph there for that's for IM. So that just leaves Twitter, and we can see Twitter is 20, 25, 30 and 25. So we'll do Twitter in green, and Twitter goes from 20 to 25 in Feb. To 30 in March. And back down to 25 in April. So there we go. To finish off then, that's Twitter. So we've drawn the other trend graphs and we've labelled each one clearly. So that's the end of question 1.